completely idiot. Forgot I forgot to press play on the record button. So now, how the heck I'm gonna assemble back? It worked! It worked! I did it! I fucking did it! Now I need to find out how to assemble the rest. But I fucking did it! Unbelievable! The first time that I did a service and I made it work. I made it work. My first one that worked. The rest I broke everything. It works. It's alive. I can't believe I did it. It's working. It's working. Yeah, I don't have clothes. It's working. I did it. Look at that. I fixed it. I did it. And it's actually keeping time. I can't believe it. I did it. Look, look. It works. Tick, 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 tick.